So I got a really simple test and whether a PhD is for you or a doctorate or research degree is for you, and hopefully this is going to help you out in making this decision going forward. So if you don't know me, I'm an associate professor of innovation strategy and entrepreneurship, and I created this whole reciprocity project to give back as much as I possibly can. There were so many people to help me out that I wanted to pay the favor forward to help you out. So doing a doctorate degree is really expensive. It takes up a lot of time. There's a huge amount of opportunity cost, and it is a very difficult journey for many people. And if you talk to anybody that's actually got a doctorate degree and is still continuing on doing research, they'll say that it's actually a very difficult process, and that they typically will say that there's moments where they have a lot of self-doubt and all that kind of stuff. So I have a very simple test for you to do in order to see whether it's actually for you and doing a PhD is actually for you. And the simple test is that I just want you to do research on your own for 1 year. And it could be when you're working right now, or you're in school at this moment, or you're in an undergraduate degree, but you just do a simple test that you actually do research by yourself without anybody's help on a particular thing for a long time. And if you can actually develop this thing, you can write a research paper about it, about a certain topic where you actually take a dive and you do this nights and weekends, and you actually are excited about this after 1 year, then that is a very good indicator that you will do really well in a doctorate program. It's also a really great thing because then you actually have the legs, you have the start of what it actually takes to do research, and you will understand what to do. And there's lots of, you can watch all my videos. I got so much stuff there in terms of helping you how to do this. And if you watch some of those things and you do this for at least 6 months, and you do this on your own, and you actually come up with something that's workable, you've actually written, you've written 25 pages, 30 pages, and then you've got some analytical work that you've worked on for that time being, and you've done that for 6 months to a year, preferably for a year, and you still like it, you're still passionate about it, then this is going to be a really fun career for you. But if you can't do that in the time being, and it is a real struggle, and you can't figure out how to do it, and you don't want to do it, then it's probably not going to be a great career for you. You have to be a real self-starter. It's got to be something that you really truly want to do and that you're passionate about, and that you're going to want to do by yourself without somebody else that's kind of walking your hand through it. So if you use this simple test, you go out and do it, and please do pass this along to other people to let them know that this is a really simple test. Get them to watch this video. This will really help a lot of people out if they just do this, and then they will know before they actually get to the point where they have invested a huge part of their life, where there's a lot of opportunity costs, it's expensive, all that kind of stuff. Once you've done that and you've realized you could do this, then it's a good test for you to know that you should continue on doing that thing. So with that, give me a thumbs up, do subscribe to the YouTube channel. Take care and have a wonderful day. Bye.